Okay, today we got medium problem because yesterday was absolute struggle, but I passed the exam, so that's fine. Given an integer array nums, return the sum of divisors of the integer in that array that have exactly 4 divisors. If there are no such integer in the array, return 0. Interesting. Well, immediately I can think of, so we check up to square root. Square root of 10 to 5 is like, I don't know, 100, and that will probably TLE. If we just do that, I think we can start with that, so we just check until we find next divisor. So yeah, that might actually pass. Wait, sum of the divisors of the integer. Okay, so let's do like ans is 0 and then 4 num in nums, and now we get like d is 1 while d times d is less than num, right? So that's the divisor, and now count is this, and what we want to do, count, and count is less than 4, so we need that. So now if the num is divisible by d, then we want to do this, so count plus equals 1, and if num divided by d doesn't equal d, then count plus equals 1, and if count is 4 ans, I also need like sum plus equals d, and sum plus equals num divided by d, and then ans plus equals sum, so we get we need to return the sum of those divisors. This should pass, I think. No, it doesn't. That's amazing. That's weird. So I know what's the problem. Like this. Nice. Let's see if this passes. Probably not. This passes? Really? Really? There got to be a smarter solution. Let's see. How about we print all the numbers that have 4 divisors. Let's see. 6, 8, 10, 14, 15. Really, this is just 4 divisors. Let's see. So basically it consists of 4 prime numbers, so we just pick all pairs of primes, or what? There is quite a few of them, I guess. If we go up to 1000, what happens? Do they become too frequent? Not that much, but whatever. Okay, let's see, editorial, enumeration, preprocessing. Fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Okay. That is crazy. Damn. One plus primes I plus primes j plus this. That's fair, I guess. And this is what C3. What is C3? I mean, okay, whatever. This was like I go from hard problem that is impossible to medium problem that I finished before. Okay. Simple enumeration. Just go through all numbers and check their divisors up to squared num, square root of num. Just go through all members and check their divisors up to square num, or until we already got 4 divisors. When checking if D divides num, if D divides num, then num L floor, maybe display style floor, it's like L floor. I'm not even sure what I'm doing. L floor. Okay, and then I have like fraction of then num divided by D. I don't even need that, but okay. Also divides num, therefore if D and num, if nekv num divided by D, num D, we count both of them, otherwise only one. We stop iterating D when we hit more than 4 divisors, or D is over squared num. O of n squared m, where n is the number of elements and m is the what? Maximum, or m is their maximum. Great. Space complexity is 01 since we only use a couple of extra variables. Nice. See you tomorrow for probably again a medium problem. Bye.